Why is everybody taking collagen? It's the glue that holds us together. Plentiful collagen creates youthful skin. By age 25, your collagen levels drop. The problem is chronic inflammation that shuts down your collagen-producing cells, and ordinary collagen can't fix it.
If you're not taking collagen, you need it in your life.
Collagen has a lot of benefits.
Hair, skin, and nails.
It makes your skin look beautiful.
As you get older, your collagen production slows down.
Your hair kind of looks brittle and your skin is kind of lackluster.
And that is where the BRUNO ND Royal Collagen Peptides come into play.
Only Royal Collagen Peptides-Beauty from Within contains a proprietary complex that supports a healthy inflammation response that turns your collagen-producing cells back on.
My best kept beauty secret is in this box right here.
I take it every day and does wonders for your skin.
My skin's feeling great.
Then, our specific collagen peptides can target specific problem areas and stimulate the creation of new collagen at any age. Deeply moisturize skin, reduce wrinkles, shrink age spots, and even diminish visible cellulite. Look and feel younger in as little as 4 weeks. Over 50, you'll see results even faster.
Check these little packs out.
It has been working wonders for me.
It helps your skin.
These are also going to help with those under eye wrinkles,
Help reduce inflammation,
And reduce the look of cellulite.
The improvements in my skin have been incredible.
and you're beautifying yourself from within.
Just from drinking these every day. Royal Collagen Peptides-Beauty from Within.
By BRUNO MD, I use this and it evens this beautiful skin tone and keeps me in tip-top shape.
In 3 refreshing flavors.
Their collagen peptides taste great.
I've got the dragon fruit, this blood orange flavor.
This one's strawberry acai, and it is so good.
I just add one of these sticks to my water and
Shake it up.
Royal Collagen Peptides-Beauty from Within for a more youthful you.
Visit us at BRUNOMDBeauty.com to learn more. Text collagen50 to 31888 for 50% savings.